Welcome back to the Tiger production side of things. We're actually in the box build process here in our warehouse. This is actually where all the cabinets come together before they head out to your job site. We have an intake process that kind of details each and every cabinet that we have. Every cabinet is labeled and numbered so that way we have a layout on site for our installers. They will go off of the design and each cabinet will match up to somewhere on the job site. So this is our intake area. We've got Sam here who's actually checking in some of our cabinets at the moment. This is kind of where the whole process begins once the cabinets arrive to us. So Sam's actually going to go through, label each cabinet individually. These are going to be based back on the layout and all numbered so that way whenever we get over to our box build process, the guys know exactly what they're building. Once we get to the build area here, this is where each one of our box builders will go off of these notes, and Jason, our warehouse manager, will actually look over everything as everything is built. As the cabinets get built, we do a quality control. Everything gets checked from your brackets that are getting installed, your 90-degree hinges, your blocking for crown. All right, so this is actually our modification department back here at Tiger Cabinetry in our warehouse. We've got Noah here. He actually does all of our drawer cut downs, anything from microwave cabinets, oven cabinets, cutting to spec. He's looking over all the specs, making sure everything is fit, cutting down the drawer box sides to fit the inside of the vanity cabinet itself, and then also making those corrections to go around the plumbing. So this here is one of our finished products that Noah's just now wrapping up. Everything is nice and tight, very crisp, clean cuts. This is what we want going out to our job site, the finished product, so that our customers are wowed by what we do here.